car.
Okay, I got it this time.
Yeah, you're gonna catch me catching on fire again?
Y'all back up.
Because it got my foot, you butthole. I got my
Back
water.
up far.
I got my water.
Protect Savannah's car.
Got it.
Woo!
Bad fire. Bad fire.
I got that.
Oh, damn it. This is fun. Go get some salt. Why? I don't know. Let's see what it does.
I'm gonna try to piss in it. I'm gonna fart.
No. Come on, let's go get some salt.
We're gonna get another game.
What could be dumber than we just did?